Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter number 3 of bookkeeping and accountancy, that is admission of partner. So let's begin. What is the meaning of goodwill and how to calculate a goodwill with the help of different method we have already studied in the last video. Okay, so in this video we'll understand what is the treatment of goodwill. So goodwill means extra premium brought by new partner. So my question is, why the new partner is bringing that cash or extra premium into the business? So reason is, old partner are sacrificing his portion of a profit for the new partner. Okay, he is sacrificing his portion of a profit for the new partner. So to reduce that sacrifice, or compensate that sacrifice, the new partner will going to bring extra premium into the business. Okay, there are two methods of recording goodwill in the books of account. Which are they? First one is premium method and second one is valuation method. So let's begin with the premium method. Under this method, new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash or kind. In both the ways, he can bring in the form of cash, in the form of kind. Both can be accepted. It may be retained. Now, what is the meaning of retained? Retained means remained in the business. If old partner wants to remain in the business, goodwill ka share they wants to remain in the business, that will be okay. Or if they wants to withdraw that goodwill, to bhi chalega. Why is it so? Because this goodwill have been created by the old partner. They have generated this goodwill with their past performance of the business. So इस पे complete पूरा जो भी है हक वो ओल्ड पार्टनर्स का है. सो इफ़ दे वांट्स टू रिमेन इन द बिजनेस में रखना चाहते हैं तो भी पॉसिबल है, उनका डिसीजन है. इफ़ दे वांट्स टू विड्रॉ दिस गुडविल फ्रॉम द बिजनेस तो भी वो कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड बोथ द केसेस. फर्स्ट केस, new partner is bringing cash into the business, okay, in the form of goodwill, and old partner wants to remain this goodwill into the business. So what will be the journal entry? Just read it again. The first transaction, when new partner is bringing cash business में ला रहे हैं in the form of goodwill. Okay, whenever the cash is coming into business, what will be the journal entry, students? Debit what comes in. So cash bank account debit. And what is the reason? Tell me, what is the reason why he is bringing cash? क्या रीज़न की वजह से वो कैश बिजनेस में ला रहे हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ द गुडविल. सो टू गुडविल अकाउंट. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट? नाउ आप पोर्शन में क्या है? इट इज़ रिमेन्ड इन द बिजनेस. दैट गुडविल हैज़ टू बी रिमेन्ड इन द बिजनेस में ही रखना है. Goodwill is an asset, intangible asset, and asset always carries debit balance. So, journal entry will become goodwill account debit, or this goodwill completely belongs to old partner. So, definitely we're going to distribute this goodwill among the old partners in the sacrifice ratio. Why? Because this goodwill have been generated by the ओल्ड पार्टनर और उन पे कंप्लीट हक ओल्ड पार्टनर का ही है और उनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे अमोंग द ऑल पार्टनर्स इन सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो. प्रोसीड नाउ. केस नंबर 2, व्हेन न्यू पार्टनर ब्रिंग्स हिज शेयर ऑफ अ गुडविल इन कैश. यहाँ तक सेम है. सो एंट्रीज, बोथ द एंट्रीज विल बी सेम. केस नंबर 1 में जो एंट्रीज वी हैव डन दैट विल बी सेम. In the case number 2, only the last portion will going to change. It is withdrawn by the old partner. The old partner have decided mutually to withdraw this goodwill from the business. ठीक है, they wants to withdraw this goodwill. If they are withdrawing goodwill, तो debit the receiver, credit the giver. Here the partners are the receivers. So entry will become, students, old partners capital account. Okay, and How they are withdrawing? They are withdrawing in the form of cash. So usually the cash is going out from the business, so to cash bank. Our entry will become old partners capital account debit to cash bank account. Got it? Shall we proceed to the next method, that is valuation method. Under this method, new partner does not bring his share of goodwill. He is not bringing his share of goodwill at all. Okay, students? So what old partner will do? They will measure. They will measure, which means they will calculate the goodwill of the firm. And then it is raised. Raised means बढ़ाया जाएगा, increased किया जाएगा. The goodwill will going to be raised in the books of the firm at the time of the एडमिशन ऑफ द न्यू पार्टनर. अगर ये केस है तो क्या होंगे? वी विल प्रोसीड. नाउ केस नंबर 1 की हेल्प से वील अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन न्यू पार्टनर डज नॉट ब्रिंग हिज शेयर ऑफ अ गुडविल इन कैश and it is raised in the books of the firm. Okay, he is not bringing, but then too we need to raise the goodwill into the firm. Asset always carry debit balance. और अगर एसेट को बढ़ाना है तो आपको डेबिट करना पड़ेगा. हियर वी डोंट हैव एनी प्लस एंड माइनस. अगर एसेट को इंक्रीज करना है तो एसेट हैज़ टू बी डेबिटेड. सो गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट. सिंपल. एंड दिस गुडविल बिलोंग्स टू ओल्ड पार्टनर. एज वी ऑल नो कि इस पे कंप्लीट हक ओल्ड पार्टनर का है, तो दिस गुडविल बिलोंग्स टू ओल्ड पार्टनर टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स अकाउंट. In which ratio, students? In old ratio. The distribution will be among the old partners in the old ratio. Clear? Now proceed to the case number 2. When goodwill is raised, this is similar with the case number 1. So journal entry will be same. Goodwill account debit to old partners capital account. Only the withdrawn or written off की entry will going to be changed. Written off. What is the meaning of written off? Write off. We need to remove this goodwill from the balance sheet or from the books of the accounts. Whenever we want to remove a asset or anything from the business, तो क्या करते हैं students? Opposite effect देते हैं. Here we have debited the goodwill. Here we have debited the goodwill. So if we want to remove this goodwill, तो goodwill को क्या करेंगे? Will do the opposite effect, that is credit. अब we have already raised goodwill. ठीक है, जो शेयर था न्यू पार्टनर का वो भी हमने ऐड ऑन करके गुडविल में ऑलरेडी ऐड करके उसको इंक्रीज कर दिया है, रेज्ड कर दिया है. सो नाउ इन दिस गुडविल देयर इज अ शेयर फॉर द न्यू पार्टनर ऑल्सो. द एंट्री विल बिकम ऑल partners capital account. All partners, if there will be 3 partners, 4 partners, whatever, all partners capital account. And when we are talking about the all partners, सभी partners आ गए तो definitely distribution in the new ratio. ठीक है, in the form of new ratio. और why we are distributing this share of goodwill? So to goodwill account. So our entry will become all partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Now that's all for today. But before ending this video, let's quickly revise all the cases, students. In the first case, when the new partner is bringing his share of a goodwill, so cash is coming into the business, cash bank account debit. And why he is bringing? What is the reason? Reason is goodwill. So to goodwill. Clear? Now second, remained in the business key entry. So remained, who is remained in the business? Goodwill is remaining in the business. Goodwill is an asset. Asset always carries debit balance, so goodwill will be debited. And this goodwill completely belongs to old partner, so old partner will be credited. Clear? Now case number 2, the two entries, first 2 entries will be same, only the written off entries will going, withdrawn entry will going to be changed. Now what is the withdrawn entry? The old partners are withdrawing their share of a goodwill. So debit the receiver, old partners are the receivers. So old partner will be debited. Now they are receiving goodwill share in the form of cash or bank, in the form of cash or check. So cash is going out from the business. Clear, students? There is one more case, student, that rarely asks, so I have not put in that. In that case, the old partners are receiving his share of a goodwill in privately. ठीक है, they are receiving their share of goodwill privately, so there will be no entry in such a case. So let's move further. When new partner does not bring his share of a goodwill in cash, so raised की entry क्या होगी? What is the raised entry? Definitely our asset is increasing, raising, so goodwill account debit, and this goodwill belongs to old partners, to old partners capital account. Easy. Now second case will be half. First journal entry will going to be same, only the second write off की entry will going to be change. Now रिटर्न ऑफ, राइट ऑफ करना है गुडविल को, सो अपोजिट इफेक्ट देना है, गुडविल गोइंग टू बी क्रेडिट, एंड रेज्ड हो चुका है गुडविल, सो दिस गुडविल कंप्लीटली बिलोंग्स टू ऑल थ्री पार्टनर्स, ऑल द पार्टनर्स बिलोंग्स टू द फर्म. So old partners capital account debit in new ratio to goodwill. That's it for today. In the next video we're going to learn some more journal entries. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students.